Hi, I'm Alicia from the Myvegan team, and we're challenging 6 of our ambassadors to do a food challenge. We're giving them 4 different challenges to cook a different recipe each. Let's see who the winner's going to be.
So we're putting you into little teams and you have 30 minutes to create a recipe of your choice. You'll all be given a different colour that your recipe needs to be.
Whoa.
Whoa. Yeah.
Yay!
Yeah. Fab.
Hi, welcome to the Myvegan Food Challenge. We've been tasked today to make something orange and flipped. We're not going to say what it is yet because we want to wait for the reveal. And our team name is
Living Lifeless.
Hello guys and welcome to the Myvegan Challenge. We have been tasked to make something that is yellow and shaped.
And we are Team Tropicana.
Ready,
steady,
cook!
Okay, this is my perfect puzzle.
Right. Thanks, guys. Cool. Let's use this. This is what I do.
What's next? Just dab it. I reckon a couple of those, yeah. A couple of those. And then we need to like...
Can we go?
We need
Yay, thanks very much.
Ooh!
That's just the bottom.
Theirs looks like it's got really well.
What you doing, guys?
What are you making?
What's going on?
Everywhere. Right, okay. Camera going.
I reckon keep going so there's enough to fully fill up a glass. I don't do this food content anymore.
You didn't even finish it. I was going to put coconut.
Hello, sorry to put you on the spot being on camera, but we just want to know where you're up to, what we're making, do you know what you're doing, you think you're going to win?
We are definitely going to win.
Definitely going to win,
Yeah.
we've got confidence over
We
here.
got stages. I'm just going
Right.
to make everything look pretty.
Okay,
I'm
that's
doing
your
the
job.
base.
And then she's doing
Right,
the bases.
you're doing all the work.
Yeah.
You're doing,
Yeah.
you're doing
I'm doing
fun
the
bits.
accessories.
Okay.
I'm doing the hard
I'm doing the
work.
accessories.
I'm padding on the accessories just,
See, look.
just to see
So
where
you
you're
got
up to.
this, you got like these little,
Some 12.
yeah, and then you have
Lovely.
this got to go on the bottom.
Very nice.
We need to melt some chocolates very soon.
Okay.
So,
And are we allowed to know what the actual finished product is going to look like? What's it going to be? Oh,
No, we'll leave it a surprise.
Okay.
Leave it a surprise. She gave that female look. You know that female look. Yeah.
We want the big like wow factor
Okay.
on it, yeah.
Okay, so this team is going for the grand reveal. Let's go and see what the other team are doing.
No idea.
Okay, so we've got some tasting going on in this section. Do you guys want to? Oh, we've got a straw. We've got a straw going in. What's it tasting like? Are you happy?
It's good, it's quite citrusy.
Citrusy.
Yeah.
Is that what we were going for?
No, so we've gone for a pina colada protein smoothie.
Oh, okay. This team's going all in with the name.
That's fine,
You're revealing
yeah.
what you're doing. Okay.
Oh, we're not supposed to.
No,
We're
absolutely,
going for a
that's fine.
secret mystery smoothie.
It's going well.
It's going well. Weren't you happy with the colour?
No, taste is good.
Okay.
It's just the colour.
Colour match is not quite there.
Okay.
We
What are we
need,
thinking
like,
we could add? Any
Maybe
ideas?
some more orange juice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For colour, I
Yeah.
think.
Yeah.
Is the taste there? Is the flavour?
I quite like the
Flavours,
flavour.
yeah.
Flavour's
Okay.
good. But I think
It's just the colour.
yeah,
Yeah.
the colour. And we're going to go hard on decoration.
Oh, okay.
We've got some flowers, we've got some passion fruit, we've got some leaves, we're going to decorate.
Okay.
Yeah.
Lovely. So you go for the aesthetic.
Yeah, and we've got a pineapple, we could do pineapple lid, there you go.
Very nice.
Yes, perfect.
Okay. Are you feeling confident?
Yes, we are.
Are you feeling confident?
Yes.
Yeah. Really confident over in this team. Perfect. Excited to try it.
I'm scared.
You can do one.
Nah, it's fine, it's fine.
Give it one more repeat.
Okay, and then we can.
Uh-oh.
Oh, amazing.
Yeah, we need to get
Yes.
See, we're going to decorate so, and then it will look like a pineapple. So it'll be like colour.
Yeah, I think we're going to win on the presentation.
Absolutely. That's the spirit.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. I'm scared of the burning smell.
Good time.
It's a little bit burnt. It's fine. Stay calm. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I'm gonna eat it.
Woo! Okay, we're gonna quickly just tidy up around you a bit, and then we'll bring the judging panel in.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm here with Sophie, our new product development manager.
So normally I'm making or creating the products, and today I'm going to be judging them.
Let's get tasting.
So, team
Live,
and live.
L4.
Your brief was orange and flipped. So tell me about your recipe.
So we've gone for a chocolate chip pancake with orange zest sort of grated into it. And we chose the unflavoured mix so that we could really bring out the orange flavour. And then
You have melted dark chocolate on the top, and you have like a chocolate ganache with orange zest.
Wow.
As well.
we've used the orange protein chocolate as well in the pancake and to sort of top
Yeah.
it. And we've even written vegan with melted chocolate.
Very nice.
Just so you know it's vegan.
Just in case, extra points.
So which products have you used from Myvegan?
Wow, we used a lot.
The protein pancake mix.
Yeah,
The vanilla flavor drop, the chocolate
flavoured
drop.
drops.
We have both the flavors of the chocolate bars.
Yeah,
Yeah.
mixed in there, and yeah,
I think, yeah, that's
I think that was, and then yeah, we put
the protein.
the cocoa powder as well.
Oh, yeah,
cacao powder.
Cacao powder.
Cacao powder.
Cacao powder for this bottom of the
Little ganache.
Well, it
There you
looks great.
Thank you.
And I'm excited to try, so I'll get a fork, please.
Oh no.
Very fluffy pancakes. I like the American
Add a
style.
little bit of flour into there, and baking powder.
Hold on. Maybe I'll do
Like,
it
just in case.
I feel like it's all gonna come down.
This is really like something ganache. Oh no. Come on. Okay. Right.
See, look at that.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay.
Right.
There you go.
I feel like we're on Bake Off.
Texture, really fluffy, really nice.
Yeah.
You can taste the chocolate and the orange. That's definitely a good pairing.
There you go.
Appearance, really, really, really good. I like the use of all the different fruits and the chocolate bar as well.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, very well done.
Nice work.
Live it like this. Yeah.
Go team.
So, we are here with Team
Tropicana.
Team Tropicana, and your brief was yellow and shaken, so tell me about your recipe.
So our ingredient was the clear vegan protein in the grapefruit flavour. So we decided to go, well, we've named it a pina colada protein smoothie. That's the vibe.
Yeah, and it's got avocado, yogurt, banana, some orange juice, and some coconut milk in
And
as
pineapple.
well. And pineapple,
Yeah.
of course.
So the hero ingredient was the clear vegan protein?
Yeah.
Yes.
Lovely, love that.
And we use some flavour drops as well.
Yeah.
didn't we?
Okay. Which
Yeah.
flavour drops?
It's vanilla, just to give it a little sweet
Little
kick.
sweetness.
Yeah.
Love it, okay. appearance is beautiful. I love the use of the pineapple top. So I guess the
We
reveal.
wanted it to look like a pineapple.
Ah, it does look like a
With
pineapple.
the little like orange base and then the pineapple lid.
So I love the use of the flowers and the leaves. And I'll just take the glass out. I like the drizzle around the
Yeah.
side as well. What is that drizzle?
It's yogurt.
Yogurt.
Yeah. Kind of adds
Give it a
some
little
creaminess.
mix. Here we go. Delicious.
Nice.
It's really nice. Yeah, it's really nice. It was really nice. I would drink this for my breakfast.
You would?
Yeah,
Okay.
I would drink this for my
Quite
breakfast.
citrusy, got lots of protein in there, lots of fibre, and it's got healthy fats as well to keep you full.
You can really
throughout the day.
taste the pineapple. I really like that.
Good.
Yeah, well done.
Thank you.